To simplify the maintenance of your pool, Trevi recommends two kits that work similarly. And depending on the store, our advisors may offer the Maintenance Kit 2.0 or the Smart Pak kit. To determine the amount of product you'll need, it's essential that you know the volume of water in your pool. So now let's start with chlorine. In the Maintenance Kit 2.0, you'll find chlorine tablets in a small container like this. You can pierce the bottom of the container, or you can always unscrew the lid and place the container in the skimmer basket. The Smart Pak kit contains individual chlorine sticks that you'll place in the skimmer basket as well. Both kits include shock treatment packets, and depending on the size of your pool, add 1 or 2 to the pool weekly. Both kits also include algaecide to prevent the formation of algae. With these kits, you'll have everything you need to keep your water safe and sanitized all summer. However, don't forget to test your water with strips or drops once or even twice a week to check if the chlorine and pH levels are good. If the chlorine level is too high, reduce the chlorine intake, and if it's too low, well, you have to increase it. The pH level will increase naturally throughout the summer. You'll need to lower it regularly using pH minus, which is totally normal. If the pH level is too low, bring a sample of water to your nearest store to get advice on how to adjust your pool water to ensure it's safe to swim.